it off with Indeed. You know, ladies first and all that good shit. So keep it. You see this girl who been popping mad shit about you. So I want you to get into it a little bit. I want you to crush that.
I was sitting on my lunch break, gritting my teeth. It's the last day of the week, man. What a relief. My arms are sore as hell. I felt rigid and stiff. So I turned around and I rolled this big fat split. That's when I seen her stepping out of in the yellow Beamer. This local ghetto fade rap cat, her name was Tina. She was bragging, she was going on tour. The same shit she was screaming since the year before. Ever since the day that I saw video, she seen me on the TV. Heard that she was holding a grudge and trying to see me working underground circus and mass after the week. But when she asked who was ill, all she got was Indeed. She won a battle, and it wasn't hard to tell. All that I was thinking about was trying to smoke my L. I had 4 hours left, and I was tired as hell. Plus it was 12:55, almost time for the bell. She had an ill screw face mug, front like she no joke. Gangsta bitch profile, bobbing like a leg broke. 40 below, 10 bones, fatigue sagging. Pulling all the money out her pocket while she bragging on the gold front with her name on it. Her ice figure roll hanging low while she claimed fame on it. I peeped the steez, then I crushed it with ease, just for interrupting me while I was rolling my trees.
Alright.